Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to use promo code on Trading 212. Trading 212 promo code offers benefits like reduced fees, free stock trades and bonus cash to start trading. To use promo code on Trading 212, first open your Trading 212 application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account, then here you'll be taken to your home. Now tap on three lines on down right corner. Now here scroll down, then here you can see the option of use promo code. Tap on use promo code option, then enter your promo code on the given box. After you enter your promo code, tap on apply code option. With this, now you'll be able to activate the promo code. You can see a confirmation message and promotion will be applied on your account. This is how we can use promo code on trading account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.